Today, I want to share my oatmeal. Very strange, but I love this stuff. My friend Vanessa told me about this. I always use Bob's Red Mill quick rolled oats for years. This I actually cook on the stove. It has plant sterols. They're good for cholesterol, but this just feels like a wholesome, warm, yummy goodness of a meal. There's something about this brand that I keep going back to, and I like to add a lot of different things. Like I said, I cook it on the stove with water. I don't do the preheated microwaved water anymore because I like the oats to cook. In the water, I add my Beekeeper's Natural Honey, which I have another video about. And I also like to put my antioxidants on the stove with the oats in the water. That's the other kind I use when I run out. But look how much of this stuff I go through. I add the blueberries and the honey, and then I also add a scoop of protein. Oftentimes it's the brownie batter by Devotion Nutrition, which I will do a video on because I love this stuff. I did a podcast with the owner, Dana. She's coming out with new flavors, and I just got the one today, actually. I also like to add her flex flavors on occasion, and then I top them with a few chocolate chips, dairy-free. But I will leave a link below to the oats, and I will also leave my YouTube video on other things you can add to your oatmeal.